Chronic snorer? Well, that used to be me. I thought the only way to fix my snoring was with my CPAP machine, until my doctor showed me this. This is the Soothie, an anti-snoring mouthpiece that gently pushes your jaw forward, creating a constant flow of air and preventing your airway from getting blocked, aka snoring. It's not bulky or uncomfortable, and with 2 sizing options, I was able to find one that fit me perfectly. Now I sleep through the night without any interruptions and wake up feeling fully rested. And it's made a huge difference in my relationship with my partner too. She's no longer tired and groggy when she wakes up since my snoring isn't keeping her up. Don't let snoring affect your health or your relationship. Try Soothie today so you and your partner can wake up feeling excited to take on the day.